Here are the top 5 mistakes that new Uber drivers make, okay? So if you're a new Uber driver, this video is for you. If you're a veteran Uber driver, well, hey, maybe you'll get a kick out of some of these mistakes that newbie Uber drivers are making. If you drive for Uber, if you've been driving for Uber, you definitely don't want to make these mistakes. Before we jump in, I wanted to tell you guys, there's an incredible opportunity to make a lot of money right now here on YouTube. By creating a faceless YouTube channel. This is something that I've been doing for years. It changed my life. It was how I was able to buy this house I'm sitting in. I know a lot of people do different ways to make money. For me, it's faceless YouTube channel. So click the link below if you want to learn how to do it. There's a free 30-day trial right now. But this is just last year on one of my pages. I brought in over $10,000 a month for the whole year, 120K. This year so far, it's only May. And I brought in over $57,000. So that's 10K a month. If you want to learn how I do it and how you can do it too, you don't need experience, you don't need a following, you don't need to show your face. Click the link below and I'll help guide you through it. And again, you can get that 30-day free trial. Okay, here are the top 5 mistakes that new Uber drivers make. Number 1 is driving a new car. This is the worst thing that you could possibly ever do to do rideshare is drive a new car. Right? You get the same amount of money if you're driving a new car versus a 10-year-old car. So why would you want to put miles on a new car versus an older car? If your car's new and you finance, or even if you don't finance it, but let's assume you financed it, because if you're driving for Uber, you probably can't afford to buy a $40,000 car in cash. Just being honest. But either way, even if you did buy it in cash, okay, you bought a $40,000 asset. And now you're gonna put on, you know, 20, 30, 40, 50, sometimes people put on 80, 100,000 miles a year on your car. That the value of your asset's going way down. So you just lost money in equity, right? You don't wanna use a new car for Uber. The best thing to do is go on Facebook Marketplace and find a $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 car that has like 80,000 miles on it, 100,000 miles on it, and use that car, because that way you're not going to lose much in depreciation. All right, that's how people lose the most amount of money is on depreciation, not gas, not wear and tear. Those are minor expenses, gas and wear and tear and maintenance. Depreciation is the biggest way people lose money. Big top mistake number 2 is doing it full time. Quitting their job and doing it full time is probably the most dumb thing you could do. If you've never driven Uber and Lyft and you just, okay, I'm gonna quit my job and do this full time, you'll very quickly realize that there's a lot of expenses that go into operating a vehicle full time. The oil changes, the brakes, the tires, the traffic tickets, the parking tickets, the vehicle maintenance, car depreciation, gas, or electricity if you're charging your car a lot. These expenses add up a lot, and at the end of the day, after you take home 300 bucks in a day, you probably really spent like over 150 bucks, if not 200 bucks or more on your car maintenance, right? I mean, the IRS estimates that operating a vehicle costs what, 67 cents, I believe right now, IRS standard mileage rate, 67 cents per mile. So if you drive 300 miles in a day, which is pretty typical for a full-time Uber driver, the IRS is estimating that you're spending $201 operating your vehicle, and that number is comprised of gas, maintenance, and depreciation. So you are, if you're driving 300 miles, the IRS is, this is just average for a typical car. You're spending around 200 bucks of that, which you will not see until later on when you need to get your car fixed, maintain oil leaks, all this stuff. This is just the average. Okay, so yeah, you do not want to do it full time. It's better to have it doing it on the side, which brings me to my next mistake, number 3, is not having a side hustle, not having another job that you're doing on the side, on top of Uber and Lyft. When you're driving Uber and Lyft, you have tons of extra time, free time in between rides, the beginning of your day, end of your day, throughout the day. You can take breaks. There's so many ways to make money on the internet. A really good one right now is TikTok Shop. I was literally just making TikTok Shop videos with my camera. This is a digital camera that I got off TikTok Shop. And every time I make a video with this and somebody buys it, I get $10. If you want to learn how to set up a TikTok Shop page, I have a link below too. People are making tens, 20, 30, 50,000. Some people are even make over 100,000 bucks a month on TikTok Shop. I have a 30-day free trial right now to learn how to set up a shop. It goes through everything and how to make money, and it's legit. Another side hustle is faceless YouTube channels, which again, I just showed you my screenshots, my earnings so far this year. I've already brought in over 10,000 bucks a month. Last year, I brought in $120,000 in a single year on just one channel, and I have multiple channels. So, I mean, get a side hustle, learn how to do these things. And yeah, right now there should be a 30-day free trial, depending on what time you're watching this, because those spots will be filling up soon. Number 4 is not using Play Octopus or Solo. I also have links below to these ones. Play Octopus is a tablet that they'll send you a tablet as long as you're an active driver, meaning you do like, I think it's like 10 rides a week or something. Then you can they'll send you a tablet to put in your car, comes with a data plan, and your passengers can play games on it for cash prizes like Amazon gift cards and stuff. And then you as a driver make money up to 100 bucks extra per month. I don't know why every driver doesn't sign up for that, because it's literally just free passive income. Solo is another app which provides drivers with guaranteed pay. Actually, if you sign up with our Solo link right below, you'll get $10 simply for linking your gig account. And that's just simply a really easy way for you to make sure you are getting paid when you are out on the road. They also do have mileage tracking, and you can file your taxes through Solo, and they help, you know, they're like the business side of things. The last one, number 5, biggest mistake, chasing the surge. If Uber and Lyft tells you to go to this area that's 5, 6, 7, 10 miles away to hit surge pricing, yeah, by the time you get there, it's probably gone. So don't do that. Don't fall for their trap. They're just trying to move drivers around so that, you know, that way, you know, just don't waste your miles. You know, you're gonna spend money literally driving there, so don't do it. So anyways, that's the 5 major mistakes. Let me know if I missed out on any. And again, check out my links below to the YouTube channel, Faceless YouTube channel course. Well, I will show you exactly how to make 10,000 bucks a month or more, how I've been able to do it, and I'm gonna help guide you step by step. Sign up, cancel if you don't like it, 30-day free trial, 30-day free trial to the TikTok Shop program as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care, God bless. We'll talk to you soon. Bye now.